Cristiano Ronaldo wakes up at 6 in the morning. He starts his day with light stretching and a lot of water to keep his body ready. He often uses special apps to clear his mind. After that, he begins his morning workout, running, quick sprints, and football drills. While many people are still sleeping, he is already working hard. After this strong workout, he has something interesting in his plan: a short nap. Ronaldo believes in polyphasic sleep. This means he does not sleep only once at night, but takes short, powerful naps during the day. For example, after his morning training, he sleeps for 90 minutes to recover his energy. After another short nap in the late morning, he trains again. This time, he trains for about 2 hours. He mixes strength training, cardio, and football exercises. He trains 5 days a week, 3 to 4 hours each day. Every movement is clear and has a goal. For Ronaldo, recovery is as important as training. In the afternoon, he takes another nap. In total, he sleeps about 7.5 hours every day. He uses many recovery methods: cryotherapy with very cold air, ice baths and cold showers, deep tissue massages, saunas, and compression therapy. His mind also trains every day. He does meditation and visualizes his goals for 15 to 20 minutes. He sets big goals for the future and never gives up. He is very competitive, but he also knows that health and balance are important for a long life. In the evening, he eats dinner with lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy grains. His favorite food is bacalhau à brás. After dinner, he spends special time with his family. At night, he sometimes swims to relax. He turns off the internet and goes to bed around 11. He also uses special supplements to support his body. Ronaldo's daily routine shows us that his success is not only about talent. It is about discipline, smart training, good food, enough sleep, and a strong mind. That is why, in 2025, he is still at the top of the world. Stretching, moving your body to make muscles longer and relaxed. Example: I do stretching before I run. Example: she is stretching her arms in the morning. Sprint, to run very fast for a short time. Example: he can sprint across the field in 10 seconds. Example: the boy sprints to catch the bus. Drill, a practice exercise you do many times. Example: the coach gives the players a football drill. Example: we repeat the drill every day at school. Polyphasic sleep: sleeping many short times in one day, not only at night. Example: Ronaldo uses polyphasic sleep to get more energy. Example: polyphasic sleep means you take naps many times. Recover: to get back energy and feel strong again. Example: she drinks water to recover after the game. Example: he recovers quickly after his workout. Whole grain: food made from all parts of the grain, more healthy. Example: I eat whole grain bread for breakfast. Example: whole grain rice is better for your body. Strength training: exercises to make muscles strong. Example: he does strength training with heavy weights. Example: push-ups are a type of strength training. Movement: an action of the body. Example: the cat made a small movement. Example: every movement in dance is important. Goal: something you want to reach or do. Example: her goal is to learn English. Example: the players scored a goal in football. Recovery: rest and healing after hard work. Example: good sleep helps your recovery. Example: he takes a nap for recovery. Cryotherapy: very cold treatment for the body. Example: Ronaldo uses cryotherapy for his muscles. Example: cryotherapy means standing in very cold air. Inflammation: when a part of the body is red, swollen, and painful. Example: ice can help reduce inflammation. Example: his knee has inflammation after the match. Deep tissue massage: a strong massage for the muscles. Example: he feels better after a deep tissue massage. Example: deep tissue massage helps with pain. Compression therapy: using tight clothes or machines to help blood flow. Example: the runner uses compression therapy after training. Example: compression therapy can make legs less tired. Meditation: quiet time to relax and focus the mind. Example: she does meditation every morning. Example: meditation helps people feel calm. Visualize: to make a picture in your mind. Example: close your eyes and visualize a beach. Example: he visualizes himself scoring a goal. Lean protein: protein with little fat, like chicken or fish. Example: chicken is a lean protein. Example: tuna is a good lean protein. Supplement: extra vitamins or minerals for health. Example: she takes a vitamin supplement every day. Example: supplements can help the body stay strong. Discipline: doing things with control and regularity. Example: he studies with discipline every day. Example: discipline is important for success. Balance: keeping things equal. Not too much or too little. Example: She has a balance between work and play. Example, good food balance means eating vegetables, meat, and rice.